everyone, this is Rupa and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you the concept of direction and managerial grid. From this video you can get the answer for the question what is direction and discuss in detail about managerial grid. So without taking much time, let's get started. Introduction of direction. Direction is an important managerial function which initiates, organizes action. It is concerned with managing the members of the organization. Thus, directing is performance oriented and the initiating function of management that actuates plans and the organization. Let's see the definitions of direction. Direction is the impersonal aspect of managing by which subordinates are led to understand and contribute effectively and efficiently to the attainment of enterprise objectives. And it is said by News and O'Donnell. Let's see one more definition. Direction is the sum total of managerial efforts that are applied for guiding and inspiring the working terms to make better accomplishments in the organization. And it is said by S.S. Chatterjee. Let's see a brief insight about managerial grid. Robert Blake and Jane Mouton proposed a graphic portrayal of leadership styles through a managerial grid. It is also called a leadership grid. Coming to the meaning of managerial grid is a graphic model of alternative combination of managerial styles or behaviors on a two-dimensional space. The two styles are concern for people and concern for production. According to this theory, leaders are most effective when they achieve a high and balanced concern for people and for task. It describes the relationship between the leader's concern for task and concern for people, but this theory differs in its perspective. And let me show you the 5 key elements of grid theory. Initiative, taking action, driving and supporting. Inquiry, questioning, researching, verifying and understanding. Advocacy, expressing convictions and championing ideas. Decision making, evaluating resources, choices and consequences. Conflict resolution, confronting and resolving disagreements. And here you can see managerial grid diagram. And let me tell you the 5 resulting leadership styles. First one, impoverished management. Managers with this approach are low on both the dimensions and exercise minimum effort to get the work done from subordinates. The leader termed ineffective, wherein their action is merely at preserving job and seniority. Second one, middle road. This is basically a compromising style wherein the leader tries to maintain a balance between goals of company and the needs of people. The leader doesn't push the boundaries of achievements resulting average performance for organization. Here neither employee nor production needs are fully met. And here performance is average. And in this style leader is compromising. Third one, task management. It is also called dictatorial or Perry style. Here, leaders are more concerned about production and have less concern for people. This style is based on Theory X. And the employees' needs are not taken care of and they are simply a means to an end. The leader believes that efficiency can result only through proper organization of work systems. Such a style can definitely increase the output of organization in short run, but due to strict policies, high labor turnover is inevitable. Fourth one, country club leadership. Here the boss is more of big brother than autocratic. Here social relationships are more important. The leader feels that such a treatment with employees will lead to self-motivation and will find people working hard on their own. In this style, the aim is to achieve friendly and harmony among members of the organization. And the final style in the managerial grid is team management. A basic need of this style is to involve and commitment towards work. It aims at integrating the people and production dimension of work under condition of high concern for growth. The leader feels that empowerment, commitment, trust, respect, and the elements in creating a team atmosphere which will automatically result in high employee satisfaction. It brings team spirit that leads high organizational accomplishments. And let me tell you the conclusion for this topic. Although there are a total of 81 different categories of different behavioral styles on the grid, Blake and Mouton conclude that managers perform best when they use a 9-9 style, that is team management on the grid. So this is all about direction and managerial grid. This is simple and informative. If you write your answer in this way, definitely you will get good score in your exams, and mainly you can understand the concept of managerial grid easily. Hope this is useful for you, and I'll come back with more management topics. Till then, keep liking my videos and keep subscribing my channel. Let's learn with Rupa.